Don't know what's to come, guys. Either Easter or Christmas. But it's windy as hell and I don't even know what I'm doing here. But I'm hoping to catch some fish. Back on the lovely River Clyde. So better get going before the weather turns to even worse. So let's go. So you might wonder why I'm using such a long rod. I'm using a 7'3" rod here, which is the Okuma Psycho stick. But the reason for that is because I want to have control of the fish, and the banks are so steep here that I can't approach them, I can't wade either. They are too steep and the water is too deep close to the margin, so I want a long rod to be able to control the fish when I hooked one. So that's a good thing to keep in mind when you get a new rod. Think about the places you are fishing, whether you need a short rod because you have too many trees, or you need a long rod because you have steep banks and you cannot wade and you need to control the fish. Oh my god, holy cow, man. Wow, the way it struck, man, it came under the fucking log. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, man, that's why I tell you all the time. That's why I'm telling you all the time, fish the margin. Fish around the margin. Wow, what an absolute stunner. Oh my god, man. Wow, I absolutely shot myself. This is 3 pounds easy. It came right under the bank. Holy shit, man, I hope it doesn't get off. It just goes mental. Look at that peach. Wow. Wow. Yes, man. And it's in the net. Woo. Holy God, man. Oh, man, I keep telling you, this is amazing. This is amazing. Some of the biggest trout have been caught in the worst of weather. And that's exactly what we're having today. Rain, the wind is mental, but the fish are biting. Holy mother of God. Whew. That's a 3 pounder right there. Holy shit, man, look at that pitch. There you go, lads. Oh my goodness me, look at this thing, man, absolutely pristine. Look at that thing. That's why I keep telling you guys, fish quite big, fish close to the margins. Now that's an absolute tiger of a trout. Look at that beauty. The spots and everything is just unbelievable. Actually, I'm gonna weigh this one because I'm quite curious of how heavy it is. There we are. Don't even know how much is this. 2.04 kilos. And then I'll take the net away, which is 300 grams. Absolutely fantastic. Oh. 1.5 kilo, absolute beast. Right, time to let it go and try and get more of them. And there he goes, like an absolute missile, man. Wow, what a beauty. Right, let's get some more because they are turned on, definitely. We are putting in a proper shift here, guys. We are moving constantly. I've been to 3 different places so far, but the strategy is working. So the more I move, the more I fish, the more we get fish. So definitely it's working. I'm keeping going upstream. and hopefully we get a few more fish like that. Absolutely stunning. They are on the feed right now, so I'm trying to minimize the filming that we do, but also try and show you as much as we can and talk to you through what we do. So I just got to the next spot. I'll turn the action camera on and we carry on. I'm just finished up. Fish on! Oh, fish on! Oh, fish on again. And again on the margins. A little beastie. Oh, my throat my net not ready again. Whew. And off the hook. Oh man, they are definitely on right now. They are absolutely on fire right now. That's the second fish we got in the space of 5 minutes. I just moved spots for like 50 meters upstream, and there we are. As I said, the conditions are absolutely treacherous. It's raining cats and dogs, it's windy as hell, but man, we are having fun. This is amazing. This is why we do it, this is why we come for, this is what we spend all the time away. Look at this beauty. Right, back in the water, and we get some more. And like a missile. Woohoo! Let me show you the absolute stunner that does it. And once again, it did it on the side, on the margins. Just cast along the bank and retrieve slowly. Slash it slowly, retrieve slowly. There we are. It's a killer today. It does the job unreal. So let's get some more. So as you can see, all I'm doing, I'm flicking out the lures. I'm not casting too far off the bank. I'm just fishing across the line along the bank. There is a steep drop off, and that's where the fish came from, right close in on the margin. So they are definitely on the hunt. Okay guys, it's time to call it a day. The weather is getting a lot worse, and we had our fun. We caught some fish. Time to head out because it's not worth it anymore. The fishing died off completely for now, so might as well go home and relax for a couple of hours. It's been great today, so hopefully next time is the same. Please subscribe and like our videos. We do all we can and try and catch some fish. See you all later.